company like Gibbs Gears can't make microgeometric components like these on their own. They need a team of engineers, the right tools for the job, and technical partnerships that drive continuous improvement. So what exactly goes into making a strong customer-supplier relationship?
My name is Reece Garrod. I'm the CEO of Gibbs Gears. We're a precision engineering specialist in gear technology, shafts, in-profile gears and complex machine parts. We're a specialist gear manufacturer within aerospace and defence sector. Our USP is high precision gears, sub-micron gear grinding, silent running gears. Parts that are challenging gives us a very unique aspect to Gibbs Gears. Give a lot of research and development on what suppliers we use, what machine tools, what materials. So it's not an easy decision, but we will go with a partner, high technology partnership that can assist us to develop processes and work in a strategic technical partnership. That's what we're looking for, more than just buying a machine, buying software. We looked at many machine tool providers and suppliers, and we went with ETG because they particularly impressed us, the need and the technical partnership that we could have with them, rather than just buying a machine tool and off we go. And they also had a need from Gibbs Gears because they wanted to develop their gear technology. They're selling gear software and gear capabilities that include hobbing, shaping and power skiving. And although they had to develop the software and they've had limited know-how, by partnering with us, we can help them develop their processes that they can offer other customers. And vice versa, with us getting into complex machining more, as well as gear technology, we want to know more about 5-axis, simultaneous machining and all the good stuff they know. So we sort of combine that as a partnership to solve each other's problems. In our space, we look at high technology in terms of gear geometries, like micro geometry of gears, tip relief, lead angle, profiles, things like this that they haven't got particular knowledge or history that they understand, and we can provide that at a high level. And vice versa, when it comes into complex machining, they can assist us with new product introduction, MPI, things like that. So it's a very good way of working, and we're both gaining from that partnership at a technical level.
So we've been in partnership now in conversation for over five years. It's developed all the way at the very beginning, where Reece has approached us looking for investment solely in machinery, and due to our turnkey capabilities, the conversation broadened and widened into more of a technical partnership as where we are today. So Gibbs Gears have got that gearing excellence. They know what needs to come off of the machine in terms of processes and machining attributes that are in the machine. We partner with Gibbs and Nakamura in developing software, cutting strategies and so forth to ensure that then when the gear comes off the machine, it meets all of the requirements of that particular gear. So a typical conversation with Gibbs we all be about the strategy and the process of the machine itself. So in order to get a successful gear out of the machine, there's a lot of functions and software advancements that we need to put in. Through their experience of manufacturing gears, it allows us to tailor the machine, tweak the software in order to get that finished part straight off the machine.
We work that closely with ETG now and Nakamura. We've been out to Japan with them. We've got involved right at the coalface of the machines being produced, with the projects, with the turnkeys, with the new product introduction, right the way through. So that's really given us the confidence to go forward with Nakamura and ETG for the long term.